question that we have is 2390, removing the star from a string. Okay, so we have to remove some stars right from a string, and it is saying that you are given a string s which contains a star, right? And in one operation you can choose a star in this, and in the other what we will do, we'll remove the closest non-star character. You remove the closest non-star characters to its left. Okay, as well as we have to remove the star itself. Okay, means first we will choose the star in s, then we will remove the non-star character which is closest to this, right, and to its left, right, and we will remove itself. We have to return the string of all star that have been removed. We have to return the string after all star has been removed, right? That we will do. So key, we have to take key node is given, like the input will be generated such that operation is always possible, right? And another thing we have to consider that it can be shown that resulting string will always be unique. Okay, means we have given these things, right? It means what we have given, first of all we have given a string s. Okay, and when we have given a string s made up of lowercase English letters, right? How? Because constants we have also given, right? As you can see here, constants we have also given, lowercase English letter we have given. Okay, and stars we have given. Operation can be performed on this string, that we will see the example later. Let's understand. First of all, what we have given, we are given a string s made up of lowercase English letter and stars, right? And we have to perform some operations on this given string such that for each star we must remove both the closest non-star character, or you can say to itself, or you can say to the star itself, right? Either itself or you can say star itself. So we have to return the, you can say, we have to return the perform string after all star has been removed. Now we will understand about the example. We have given example 1 in which we have given s, and s contains first character is LEET, lead, this character, then we have two star, and then we have COD, then we have a star, then we have E, like this, right? So this string we have given in the example 1, right? Now what we have to do, we will perform the removal from left to right, right? Means from index 0 to its last index, that is n-1, will traverse and will perform the removals of string, right? Star. Now first of all, the closest character to the first star is what we have. First star is this, and closest let me change the color. Okay, yeah, so you got it. Okay, so first star is where, this is the first star we have, closest you can say character we have with this star, right? Because the star first star we have got is where, this is the first star we have, and so it's the closest character is T, right? So in this case what we will do, we will remove T, right, from the string, and now it will become like what, it will become without this one, right? So we will remove these two, we will remove. Okay, so there is no element is there. Okay, now we have one star left. So in both sides, right, there is two element we have. First we have E, this E will be closest to this one, right? Because see, if we'll rewrite, this will become Lee star COL star and E, right? So in this case, first of all what we have to do, we have to check, we have to choose the star. So we will choose the star again. Now we will we have to remove the closest non-star character, and to its left. So this is left side, right? So in this left side what is coming, E is coming, right? Now what we will do, we will remove E. So now we'll do LE, this we will remove, then star will also remove. Now it will be COL, now star and then E. Now if we'll do the perform operation again, you will see that one star is left and its closest left character is E, this one, and so we have to remove this one also. So now it will become LE, CO and E, because these two we have also removed now, right? So this is your output will be in the final, right? Like this you have to do, right? So there are no more star, we return this one, right? Okay, so that's all we have, and you can see here in the output LOCOE, right? We have. Now coming to example 2 is similarly we have this one, right? First ERASE erase, then we have 4 5, how many? 5 star, we have 5 star, right? So for this character we will remove this one, 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 and for the last one we will remove this one, right? This one. Okay, and like this. Okay, so we will remove all the characters. Now there will be no element will be there, and that's all. You can say entire string will be removed. After this we will empty string we will remove. Okay, this is the constant we have given, right? And it is very important to understand that all the string character will be the lowercase English letter, and there will be star. So operation can be performed on the string, right? So the thing is that we can do this implementation, right, in many ways. You can use you can say stack implementation, right? You can do any other operations, right? Like you can do string operations, right? So approaches are there, can be multiple operations, right? Operations, right? Because see, this topic is related to a string stack, right? So you can use either this one or either this one, right? So both approaches will have the almost time complexity will same, right? And if you do the simulations, so you can do 2 pointer approach also, right? So 2 pointer you can also do. So there is multiple ways we can in which we can do the implementation, right? So in all these cases, right, you have to traverse all the characters, right? In all these approaches you have to traverse all the characters of the string, all the characters you have to move of string you have to traverse, and in that case time complexity and space complexity will remain same O of n. Okay, so what we will do, let's understand and see the you can say implementation. Okay, so first of all what we should do while we are using stack, right, then this time what we will do, we must keep track of most recently non star character while iterating from the beginning to the end of the string that we have already seen, right? So our task should be easy, and if we are not if we are able to use data structure or write algorithm that keep track of the most recent non star character, which then we will remove that one, and after the second non-recent non-star character will also remove, right? So which when we will remove, right, it gives you the third most recent non-characters, and so on it will continue, right? So there are several approaches to solve this problem, right, as you know. So one of this is stack data structure, and that's we are going to use, right? So let's go and see the implementation of this program, right? And I think you will understand, right? So what I'll suggest, what I'm trying to do here, will take a let's suppose the first example we have given was LEET, then we have given what, star star, then we have given COD I think, and then we have a star and A, right? Like this was the example we have given. Then what we will do, we'll take one stack. Okay, we'll take one stack. First of all we'll put L, then we'll put E, then we'll put E, and then we'll put T, and then we'll put star. So when star will come, right, at that time what will happen, we will remove this element, right? When we will see the star is going to come here, we will remove this one and this one. So now this will there will no element like this. Okay, next time we'll see this one, this star is coming, so we'll remove this one, right? Again now we will reach to here, see what will happen, Now these elements are not here in this one, so it will look like you can say this is open, so there is L is there and there is E is there, right? Now this C will come, right? So we'll put C, O and D. Next time star will come. Now star will come, we'll remove D. Now it will come what? E. So now it will look like how? L, E, C, O, not D, it will be E, right? So this is your final output, and we will show this is a output, right? I think you got me. So right, what first of all what we have to do, we will take you can say stack, right? As you know, right, we will take one stack and one we will take a result, right? Why we will take a result, I will tell you later. Okay, so first we will take a stack, and on this stack what we have to do, we will traverse we will do the 2-carry array, right? So given a string will become an array. Okay, given string will be in the style. Let's suppose we had given L, E, E, T, then we had a star, right? And some element was there, right? Like this. So what we'll do, all the element will be in the this one, so it will come in the character array. So each element will get one by one character, and we'll check if this element is what? Star here, right? If this is star, then what we will do, we'll do the pop, right? Otherwise we will put, let's suppose first will come L, then it will come E, then E, then T. Once we will see star, then we will remove from here, right? And we'll push onto the stack if the character is not star. Like this we have put, and if we'll find a star, we will do this one. Okay, like this we will get. But once this operation is done, all the star is gone, right? Then what will happen, there will be some element, right? And if you will print that element, it will come some element that having the example, then it will come L, right? But this is not our example, it should be like this L, E, E, and the rest of the element we have, right? That should come, means we have to do reverse operation on this one. And to do that, what we will do, we'll do result dot reverse dot toString, right? So toString, why? Because result is a string builder, and toString we have to do to convert into the string, right? And how we'll get the string data into the result? Each time we have to do append, and one by one element we have to pop from here, and you have to put into, you can say, onto the string builder, while a stack is not empty, right? That's all we have for today, and we are traversing all the characters. So time complexity of E will remain O of n, and space for the stack and result we will take O of n only. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit subscribe, and for more videos please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much, guys.